Jungle.
Welcome to SCI Storm. Today, we'll look at some excellent, science-based advice for improving your life. Prepare yourself to increase productivity, improve attention, and accomplish your goals like a pro. Then let's begin our video. The power of Pomodoro technique. Explanation: the Pomodoro technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It is designed to enhance focus, productivity, and time efficiency by breaking work into short, timed intervals, called Pomodoros, followed by short breaks. The technique is based on the idea that frequent breaks can prevent mental fatigue and improve sustained attention. Example: imagine you have a complex task that you need to complete, such as studying for an exam or working on a challenging project. Instead of trying to tackle the entire task in one continuous session, you decide to apply the Pomodoro technique. You set a timer for 25 minutes and commit to working solely on that task during that time. After the 25-minute interval, 1 Pomodoro, take a short 5-minute break to stretch, get a snack, or do something enjoyable. Then, start another 25-minute work session. After completing 4 Pomodoros, approximately 2 hours of focused work, take a longer break, around 15 to 30 minutes, to recharge before resuming the cycle. Sleep hygiene. Explanation: sleep hygiene refers to a set of practices and habits that promote restful and uninterrupted sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, memory consolidation, learning, and emotional regulation. By adopting good sleep hygiene practices, you can improve the quantity and quality of your sleep, leading to enhanced cognitive performance and well-being. Example: to implement better sleep hygiene, establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your internal body clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal your body that it's time to wind down. This routine could involve reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques like meditation. Additionally, create a sleep-conducive environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid using electronic devices with bright screens before bedtime, as the blue light emitted by screens can suppress the production of the sleep hormone melatonin, and disrupt your sleep cycle. Hydration reminder. Explanation: staying properly hydrated is crucial for maintaining physical health, mental clarity, and cognitive function. Many people forget to drink enough water throughout the day, leading to dehydration, which can cause fatigue and reduced cognitive performance. Example: to ensure you stay hydrated, use a water bottle with time markers or volume indicators. This makes it easier to track your water intake throughout the day and ensures you are drinking an adequate amount. Additionally, set alarms or reminders on your phone or computer to prompt you to take sips of water every hour. Consider keeping a water bottle at your desk, in your bag, or nearby when studying or working, so you have easy access to water throughout the day. Chunking information. Explanation: chunking is a cognitive strategy that involves breaking down large amounts of information into smaller, more manageable pieces, or chunks. Our working memory has limited capacity, so breaking information into chunks makes it easier to process and retain. Example: let's say you are studying a comprehensive chapter in a textbook for an exam. Instead of trying to memorize the entire chapter at once, divide the content into sections or key topics. Focus on understanding and learning one section thoroughly before moving on to the next. As you master each section, create summaries or outlines to reinforce your understanding. By chunking the information, you'll find it easier to remember and integrate the material into a broader context. Practice active recall. Explanation: Active recall is a highly effective learning technique based on the idea that the act of retrieving information from memory strengthens memory retention. Example: instead of passively rereading your notes or study materials, cover them up and try to recall the key points or concepts. Alternatively, use flashcards to quiz yourself on the material. The process of actively retrieving information engages your brain more effectively and enhances long-term retention of the information. By practicing active recall regularly, you'll reinforce your learning and be better prepared for exams or real-world application of knowledge. Use mnemonics. Explanation: mnemonics are memory aids that use associations or patterns to help you remember information more easily. They provide a mental hook to link new information with pre-existing knowledge or vivid images. Example: to remember the order of the planets in our solar system, you can use the mnemonic, "My very educated mother just served us noodles," where the first letter of each word corresponds to a planet: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mnemonics can be applied to various subjects, making it easier to recall complex data or lists. By using creative and personalized mnemonics, you can significantly improve your ability to remember important information. Stay organized. Explanation: staying organized is essential for managing time effectively, reducing stress, and increasing productivity. When you're organized, you can easily prioritize tasks, find necessary materials, and focus on what's most important. Example: use a to-do list or a task management app to keep track of assignments, projects, and deadlines. Break down larger projects into smaller, manageable tasks, and allocate time for each one. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Keep your workspace tidy and decluttered to reduce distractions and create a conducive environment for focused work. By staying organized, you'll feel more in control of your responsibilities, and you'll be better equipped to meet deadlines and achieve your goals. Healthy eating. Explanation: proper nutrition plays a vital role in supporting brain function, memory, and overall well-being. Consuming a balanced diet provides essential nutrients that fuel your body and mind. Example: incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support brain health and cognitive function. Avoid excessive consumption of processed foods, sugary snacks, and sugary beverages, as they can lead to energy crashes and negatively impact cognitive performance. Instead, opt for nutritious alternatives like nuts, yogurt, or fresh fruits to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Remember that maintaining a balanced diet is a long-term investment in your physical and mental health. Regular exercise. Explanation: regular physical activity offers numerous benefits for both your body and brain. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which delivers oxygen and nutrients necessary for optimal cognitive function. It also promotes the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and endorphins, which improve mood and reduce stress. Example: engage in activities you enjoy, such as walking, running, cycling, swimming, or dancing, for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises to maintain overall fitness. If you have a sedentary job or study routine, consider taking short breaks to stretch or walk around every hour. Exercise not only benefits your physical health but also enhances your mood, cognitive performance, and ability to concentrate. Take breaks during studying or work. Explanation: taking regular breaks during intensive work or study sessions is essential for maintaining productivity and preventing mental burnout. Our brains have limited attention spans, and continuous focus on a task for extended periods can lead to reduced performance and increased errors. Example, when studying or working on a task, take a short break every hour to stretch, walk around, or do something enjoyable. These breaks give your brain a chance to rest and reset, allowing you to return to the task with renewed focus and energy. One effective method is to use the Pomodoro technique, as explained in the first life hack, to structure your work sessions and breaks effectively. By incorporating regular breaks into your routine, you'll maintain higher levels of productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. By adopting these science-based life hacks into your daily routine, you can enhance your learning, productivity, and overall mental well-being. Remember that consistency and patience are key to making these habits a natural part of your life. As you integrate these practices into your routine, you'll likely notice positive changes in your cognitive abilities, focus, and overall quality of life. We appreciate you watching SCI Storm. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you liked this video and want to see more amazing material like it. To ensure that you never miss out on our most recent science-based advice and life hacks, click the subscribe button and enable alerts. We'll see you in the next one, so pay attention.